How to change the country or region on the SHEIN app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country or region in the SHEIN app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the SHEIN app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are on the home screen of SHEIN app, simply tap on the bottom right corner where you will find Me option. And once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the settings icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option label location. And now you will see a list of available countries. So simply browse through and choose your desired location and confirm your selection. And once done, the app will refresh automatically, displaying prices, products, and feature based on newly selected region. And that's it. That's how you can change the country or region on the SHEIN app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.